find my puppy with me. Because he went outside. We gotta go find him. Oh. He's right there. Come here! Hi. Oh, you're just so cute. Oh. All you have is the leaves in your mouth. Yeah. Come on. What are you doing? Sit. Good boy. 1, 2, 3. Late start. It's over there. It's right here. Go get it. Over here. Oh my goodness. Right here. Bro. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good boy. Oh. All right. Cutie patootie. Ollie. 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 Got a different one. He loves Frisbees. Oops. Get a front shot of this cute puppy. It's a bit bright out. Picture time. Pose. Who's here?
Hello. Hey. How you doing? Little dancer boy? Little dancer. That's not for you. Whoop. How are you doing? What's going on? What are you doing?
Yeah. Ollie, you ready? Sit. Ollie, sit. Ollie, sit. Good boy. Go. Yeah. Wee. We're going to do his favorite tunnel. He's coming. Oh, you guys should have seen that jump. It was so cute. Come on. Okay, sit. You're not listening today, huh? Oh, sit. Good boy, go. If you don't, I'm going swimming for my little cousin's birthday.
Ready to go for a ride, dude?
Halfway. Whoa. Oh!
Hey, wiggle worm. Little wiggle tail. Huh?
Okay, I'll be back. I gotta get the baggie. We are going swimming for my little cousin's birthday. So, Ollie. Okay. You're stuck in the car. We go. Birthday present. Coming back and game plus snack bag. You ready, Ollie? Oh, it's okay. He has his little car seat. He's buckled in so that he doesn't go all over the place. He still goes all over the place. Where's your daddy? It's okay. He's so cute. Ollie. You're fine. Are you? Okay, he's chilling. We're buckling in. Ollie, look. Trying to get a picture. New, 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 new. Sit down, bro. Hi. We're going to my grandparents' house for my little cousin's birthday, and we're going to be swimming in their pool. And he
wants you to sit closer next to him.
Can't.
He's like, I can't get you.
Fine, I'll sit closer. But we can't bring him, sadly, because he's not vaccinated yet. So he can't be around other dogs or stuff. He has to stay in the house, so he's just coming to drop me off. And then him and my dad are gonna go home.
And Mommy's gonna meet you over there.
I think. Long tongue, mister.
Ollie, next time.
Yeah, soon you'll be able to see the world. You'll be able to come with us. You're so cute. But he just sits like that with his paw. And he chills. How are you feeling, mister? Wet little nose. This is my over thing. Oh, my seatbelt's locked. And then this is my bathing suit. It's really cute. It's like light. It's like light purple here, and then it's dark purple right there, and then it's black lower. Oh wait, yeah. So it's new. Ollie, yeah, zip, 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 zip. Hi. Hi, 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 hi. He's trying to eat my fake flower. So yeah, this is just like a little video just to be like showing you Ollie and like just like some funny things he did today. And then when we get there, my cousins are gonna be like, "Hey everybody," and then we're probably gonna end the video because we don't really vlog swim days that much. But tomorrow I'm gonna be in a fashion show. And I'm gonna be doing the runway walk twice. There's 2 shows, and I'm gonna do a get ready with me and come with me for that. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, we're gonna do a get ready with me for the runway show and come with me to the runway show. Right, Ollie? It's kind of hot. What's that? It's just a truck. And we're gonna do that. And his paws smell like Fritos. Your paws smell like Fritos. You smell like chips. But yeah, so we're gonna do that, and then Disneyland videos are coming soon because last time I went to Disneyland, I was going to do some videos, but we were just really busy. But this time I'm going with my cousins. You've seen them all before. In the Not Sure Mothers video and all the Olive Garden videos. So they were in that, and we're gonna be going to Disneyland, and we're gonna do a before and after the Tower of Terror and all that kind of stuff. I don't think we're gonna make like a big video because we're not gonna film the whole time, but we're probably just going to make like shorts, just like Disneyland hotel tour, like room tour, and then we're gonna do like what rides, a few rides we went on, and that kind of stuff. So yeah, he probably has stuff.
Papa Murphy's Pizza's in Burnham Mall.
Yeah, probably. Okay, and we're staying in the Best Western, and Clarity, we're going to Disneyland, California, Anaheim, so the OG, and we are staying at the Best Western, which is the closest one to the park. So we're staying at that one. I think it's pretty good. We'll do like a room tour, show you guys the pool and stuff, because we're going to be swimming the first day, and I went super early, so stay tuned for that. We're on the freeway, so you might not be able to hear me as well, but he's all cozy, not too windy, and we're probably gonna do that. We're gonna go on a lot of rides. I'm probably gonna do it before and after, like the scary fast rides, but some of the little rides might just be like, oh, Isla's first time going on the blah 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 blah. Like Isla's first time going on the Little Mermaid or something, because all my cousins and me have been, except Isla, which is my little cousin. You've seen her before in the Not Your Mother's video, and also she hasn't been, so she's gonna be like, wow, she's gonna be crazy. So yeah, we're just chilling, so I'll give you an update in a little bit when we're closer to our destination. Road trip. The first day of the fair.
They weren't open when I drove by the doctor earlier, so they opened at 12.
Oh yeah, they just
1
opened.
hour.
You guys can see
Not crazy hot.
the fair has just opened. We'll be going soon, so there might be videos of that, just a few. And we're also going to Wings and Waves for my birthday on August 11th, so you might see a few videos of that, like RV tour. We're also going to Urban Air, so there's a lot of cool videos coming up. We're also going roller skating, just like be ready. You also might see a makeup routine video. I don't do too much makeup, but I have these 3 blushes. So I do a dot, 2 dots of one dot of another, and then another dot of the purple, and I blend it out. And I think it looks pretty good. I put some on my nose too, and I have this shimmer that is the perfect amount of fluid ounces they allow on planes. So I'm definitely gonna bring it to Disneyland, and I just blend it out with the glitter right there and right there. And then I do my lip routine and eyeshadow, curl my lashes. Sometimes I'll do mascara. Twins. He's staring right at the camera. Y'all. We're almost there. Hello, it's very nice to meet you. Cutie pie, cutie pie. What do you smell? What is that? What is it? What is it? He's looking out the window. Fresh Street. I've decided this is gonna probably be vlog 3 because I had 2 vlogs a while ago. So this is just like a random vlog 3. So it is almost over. We're almost there. It's taking forever. But this was vlog 3. So yeah. We are arrived at my grandma and grandpa's house. And he can't stay because he doesn't have all of his vaccines yet. Next week we can take him everywhere, and we're gonna take him everywhere. But oh wait, we're almost there. I don't even know. We're here actually. I don't know. Okay, but
Are you talking to somebody?
yeah, so he has to go back home, but I'm gonna swim and he has to go back home because he doesn't have all his vaccines and he can't be outside yet, but soon he can. Crunch. Water here. We're here. We're here. Ollie is moved to the front.
Say goodbye to him.
Bye, Ollie. Bye.
We'll see you in a little bit.
Bye, Ollie. These are the cousin gardens. Here's mine. So we're here. My cousins aren't here yet, though. We have Pin the Tail on the Mermaid. We have the garden that they have. It's all so big. We have the pool. It's really good. Sunbathing chairs. All these crafts my grandma got us. And mermaid balloons. There's seaweed.
How's everything
Fish.
going at your
Mermaid
house?
water.
That makes it a lot nicer.
Mermaid water. Pinata. More balloons and some presents. This one's what I got her. So, oh, we also have this one. So, I know this was just supposed to be an Ollie dog vlog, but I'm here and I'm like, there's so many cool things. I feel like we should vlog, you know, Isla opening some things. So, we might vlog a few things, or I think we might just make some shorts. I think that's what we're gonna do. So this vlog is going to be over, and stay tuned if you want more birthday stuff. We're gonna do a